Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my channel consists of unboxings. It consists of vlogging vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants. So, if you can't figure it out, today we have Trunk Club. This is probably one of the largest trunks I have ever received. I did not look at my preview, so I do not know what's in here today. I looked at my pre-preview, and then I exchanged some things out, but I don't know what she put in place of those. So, and I don't know, my stylist does really well for me. I am kind of in between sizes, so not everything works for me all the time anymore, but that's not to say that my stylist doesn't do a great job. She generally does a really good job picking things out for me. So I kind of wanted to let you guys look in here to see how nicely everything is packed. And it looks like we have 3 pairs of shoes, and then we have a bundle of clothes here. This is kind of a very large box for these things, but I expected it to be packed full, but it's not. So, with that being said, I am going to go ahead and start unwrapping some of these, and then we will go through them. Okay, so I am not sure how this goes for new members. They used to have a styling fee. They waived the styling fee, then they implemented a styling fee. I am not sure how that works anymore. I am not charged a styling fee, but I will get the details and then put them down below if I can find them. But you get a little envelope here with all the items. So it comes with the items and it comes with the prices. Now, sometimes your items are on sale, but you won't actually know that the items are on sale until you go to checkout online. It comes with a return shipping label, and then it comes with these little thingies where you just put everything back in the box and you take it to UPS. You take it to UPS and the shipping is paid for. So there is that. This is the Samantha Fit and Flare dress. This is a size 6, and it's by the brand Reformation. It is $198. I have gotten this brand in my boxes quite a few times, and this brand runs, for me it runs really small. I am overall a size 6. Sometimes I can fit into a size 4, but I am a size 6, and this brand is just too small on me. It's a cute little polka dot. It comes right across the neck, which is cute. It has this cute little shoulder detail, and it has these cute little sleeve details, but this dress is just way too small for me. It doesn't fit across my breasts. It doesn't even zip in the back. It doesn't fit in my upper arms. There's just absolutely no give to this type of material. This is the Monica wrap dress in a medium by Reformation in Python for $198. I don't know who this is a dress for. Like, this barely covers my and it barely covers my butt. I'm not entirely sure who. I had to check just to make sure this wasn't actually a shirt. But it's... if it were longer, and if it actually had some support in the top, it would be cute. So these shoes are the Boris Slingback Pump. They're a size 8, and they are $174.95. Now, these shoes are too large for me. I typically wear a 7.5, and sometimes I can wear an 8, but these feel like they run true to size. So they are too big for me. This dress is the Royal Racerback dress. It's a size small by Rebecca Minkoff in burnt henna for $198. I think this dress is cute, but I don't think it's $200 cute. I'm not completely fond of the way it fits, but it does fit. So these 501 color block high waist cutoff shorts are Levi's, and they're called pulling teeth, which they were definitely pulling teeth. To get them on at $98, they are a size 28, and there is just no give in this material. As you can see, it flattens out my butt a lot. I couldn't even get the top button buttoned. I do think that they're cute. Has cute little zipper detail here. But those just do not look good on my butt at all. So this is the Kelsey thong bodysuit by Affirm. It is a size small, and it is Primrose Noir for $69. It does fit. I think it's pretty. I'm not sure how I feel about long sleeves for a bodysuit. I guess it would be okay for springtime. It has cute little detail here in the back. So here we have the Candela button detail cotton blend mini skirt. It's a size 6. It's by Reformation, and it's in black for $98. So here I've got the Kaylee bodysuit in a medium, Tiger Mist in white. It is $79. And I don't know, I don't like the way it fits. Has this cute little detail at the top, which needs iron, but that's cute. And then these pants are Penny Wet Look Skinny Pant in a medium by Tiger Mist in black for $89. I don't like the way these look on me either. Has this cute zipper detail though. I think that's cute. But moving into the spring and summer, there is just no breathing room in these pants. They are tight and uncomfortable, and I am not a fan of these. So here we have the 501 Moto Crop Jeans, size 27, Levi's, show teeth for $128. Unfortunately, these jeans do not fit me. I could get them up, but I could not get them buttoned. So here I am showing you the button-up detail, and I am showing you the color blocking in the legs, along with the frayed bottoms and the side zip panels on the legs. These jeans have no give to them, I'm assuming because they are Levi's. It was the same with the shorts. They just had absolutely no give in the material. We also have front zip detailing. So here I have for you the Plaza Plunge maxi dress in a size small by Reformation in black. It is $178. It has a cute plunging neckline that I don't mind so much, and it has this little detailing here at the waist, and the slit is pretty high up. This dress is okay, but I am not going to purchase it. The arms are a little too tight. We have Sorrel Strappy Sandal in a 7.5 in black by Rebecca Minkoff for $127.95. These are a cute little strappy sandal. Ignore my half-painted big toe. I do not like them. And then we have the Lola lace-up midi dress in a medium by Finders Keepers in navy. It's $160. And I actually think this is cute. It has this cute lace-up detail here. And it has little strawberries on it. Little ruffle detail on the straps, which is really cute. But the zipper does not want to stay up. So while I think this is cute, it has the front slit, it doesn't have the zipper that's going to stay up in the back. So we have Graham Lace-Up Booty by Treasure and Bond, 7.5 in cognac suede for $109.95. These shoes or booties are really cute. However, I would need them in a size 8 to fit comfortably with socks on. So I might have actually bought these if they would have been in a size 8 because they are super cute.